Right, welcome to day number 20. I'm just going to call it day number 20 because we didn't trade on Friday. Market was choppy, although we trended up. Market was slightly choppy, as you can see here. We were chopping to the upside, and I just decided to, stay away from the markets and not take any trades because I don't want to get caught up on all this chop. So fast forward for today, we took a win, and I started watching price action from New York opening, which is around here. And initially, I see us reacting from this 4 hour order block. We sell off. Still watching. I see this possible setup here, but bias didn't align. Still watching, and then I see this. Um, I wanted to long this, but then I looked at the 5 minute, the 15, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour were bearish, and only the daily and the 12 hour were actually bullish. So I decided to wait for more confirmation. I decided to be patient, and I just waited for more confirmation. We then sold off. You can see this massive sell-off, and I wanted to trade this because now the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour were bearish, but the 12 and the daily were actually bullish. So I was thinking, okay, do I want to short here? No, that's not a profitable risk to reward. Do I want to short here? And at this moment, I said no, because usually when we are near the lows, you don't want to short that, because this could be just a sweep leading to a break of structure, and then we start going higher, because again, the 12 hour and the daily were indicating that we were going up. So I didn't short that. I learned my lesson from shorting lows. I don't want to do that. Then, I kept waiting. I wanted to long this order block right here. I've put my entry here, and then my stop loss around here with the TP here. But I think, yeah, my stop loss was around here with the TP here, which I got front run. I didn't get filled on that. Then I see a 5 minute inverted fair value gap forming. And although we were not bullish and we swept these highs and we were actually a little bit bearish, I told myself, okay, I want to see a sell off after this sweep, because again, although this is like a 1 minute break of structure, I didn't want to long this. I actually put an order here, but when I see this candle going up without any manipulation to the downside, I took it off because we had set no lower wick and I just deemed it low probability. So I took the order off and I said, okay, I want to see a sell off to the inverted fair value gap. I want to see us respecting also this fair value gap and of the 5 minute inverted, of course. And after we touch it, I want to see some sort of engulfing candle. So we sell off here, and then we have a reaction. We have this engulfing candle, and I said, okay, here's my entry. So I've put my entry here, and my initial target was a little bit higher. It was actually here, but I'll tell you in a minute why I decided to lower the target a little bit. So let me just mark this here. Spoiler alert. This was basically why. Then we have this consolidation right here, and I said, okay, I'm not going to panic. I've waited for my reaction. I've waited for my plan. All I gotta do now is be patient. If it's a loss, that's fine. If it's a win, even better. So we sold off. Then we got this candle right here, which had me doubting, because we were selling off. The 15 and the 5 minute new candle was about to open, and I was thinking there's a good chance that I might get wicked out here, but there's also a chance that we just rallied up, because we respected this 15-minute candle right here. So if you look at here, we close above this, we got this candle right here, and then we sell off here, and we respect this order block. We were still inside it, but I said there's a good chance that we can just continue the trend on the 15 minute, and then we just rally up. So waited, became patient. we rally up, then I see this sell off. At this point, I moved my stop here because I didn't want to see any bearish, any bullish PD arrays getting disrespected. Otherwise, that would mean that we manipulated up and now we were expanding lower. So waited here with the stop loss here. Then we'll see this rally up to this candle, and I'm thinking I want to see like a nice push here. If I don't see a nice push here, I'm gonna close trade a little bit early for 400 and something profit, which is still a 2-hour profit, so it's still good. Instead of a 2.20 something hour profit. So I waited, then we get this candle. I waited for this candle to close, and I see what I deem to be a weak close. So I just sold my position here, took my profits here. I was not expecting us to go to these highs yet, but we ended up going there. But, you know, a 2R, I'm going to take it, assuming not, like last week we were at 50,600 and something. So that's almost 1K profit in just a few days. So really nice day. I remain very patient. I'm actually very proud of not trading this and just waiting for everything to align like I did here. So at this point here, the 5-minute would turn bullish. The 1 minute was still bullish. The 15 was bullish. Only the 1 hour and the 4 hour were bearish, but the 12-hour and the daily were indicating that we'd go higher. So pretty happy with the results today. All I got to do now is review my trades. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.